Hello, hello. Is it Hitesh is here?
अभी आया नहीं मेरे ख्याल।
Hi Samir, this is Anjum this side.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Kiran.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, one by one. Okay, yeah, who is, yeah, Kiran. Yeah, Kiran, tell me please.
Hello.
Yeah, Kiran, please tell me.
Yeah. Sorry, it was getting mute again.
No problem.
So the issue is like, as you said in the last season, that trying on several vacancies does not make a sense. But several positions does not make a sense. We should go for.
Kiran, I am hardly hearing you. I'm hardly hearing you. I mean, your voice is there, but I am not able to understand. Will you please look your mic? I think so. Can keep your mic.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Yeah.
Okay. The issue is like, as you said in the last session, that you should not apply for several positions. If you go for customer service, then you should go for customer service only, not to apply to.
No. I think you took it in a different way. See, I am not telling you to apply only one job. I am telling you only one category. I am telling you to apply any category, but don't put the same type of a CV for all categories. You got my point?
Okay.
What the people will do? People will take one CV and apply for X type of a jobs, which is there is no meaning in that one. So what I mean to tell you, you need to be prepared by yourself what type of categories you want to go. For example, people who are working in the administrative section, they are capable for the administrative section. They are capable for the supporting of accounts department. They are capable for the supporting for the HR department. Now, but you cannot take one admin CV and push it to HR department, push it to accounts department. You have to change according to the need of that CV. So what I advise, always keep 3 CVs or 2 CVs related which you are confident in those categories, and then you apply. Hope you got my your answer.
Okay, I got your answer. That means according to the job profile, we should design the resume somewhere, and then we can share it so that it will be very well relevant to
exactly. I understood, because people can't change each and every day. No, what I mean to broadly saying that prepare one account CV. Okay, keep the same account company names, no problem, and you can do it. One more important thing, most people are thinking before, like past 1.5 year, 2 years back, there is up to 3 years back, there is a cross verification, those things, these things. For your information, there is no such things are there. It's like a consultancies used to tell all these answers, like don't apply this type of jobs, that type of job. They will see, they will verify, they will call back to your company. No, HR don't have that much of time to do that one. So they rely on your CV. So you have, the CV should be a honest answer for them. Hope you understood, right?
Yeah, right. A self-explanatory thing to the HR and the manager.
Yes.
And secondly, I'm really thankful to you that you told me that told us everyone that we should not go with the consultancies paying and all those things, because I last year had a scam into that, which was like I paid for somewhere and I didn't got a job opportunity. So I'm thank you for that.
Kiran, I'm keep telling everyone every day. I used to get hundreds of messages. Some I reply them, some I don't reply them, but I keep telling them, please don't trust consultancies. Because I am not against to any consultancy, but trust me, it is illegal in UAE, taking money from the employee, because those people are worth to take money from the employer, because there is a contract between the employer and the consultancy. Nowadays, consultancy's role has been, I think, more than 50% reduced because of LinkedIn. Now every HR people is opening LinkedIn and they are posting their requirement there, and they are getting the CVs. You got my point, right? Then what is the need of a consultancy? But there are some consultancies, they go to the now I will explain you how the consultancies works. Consultancy works like one general trader. You know what is meaning of a general trader? Means one man will open the shop. Okay, now he will not keep depend on the people who will come inside for this buying the material. He has to get exposed to the people, and he has to show that my shop will give you these all materials, right? Like this consultancy people, like you ask me, Naukri Gulf, Indeed, Gulf Talent, these are all people will call on emails to the companies asking them, please give us if there is any openings. You got my point? So
Yes.
when the company have an understanding with these people, then company will the employer will tell clearly that you should not take money, a penny from anything from the employee, and I will pay you on behalf of the selection of one person, or there is a category of 8% of a salary of 12 months. Okay, 12 months means 12 months salary divided by 8%, something will come, which is they are going to pay to that consultancy. Then why the consultancy will take money from you? You got my point?
Yeah, right. So exactly. No, thanks for that. Because of that only I was been worried, like what exactly and how
No. You see, if there is, there are some websites, even I will tell you, there are some websites, they will take, registrations, and trust me, what is going on when you register with the website? Nothing. If there is any reference, you can take that one. Okay, now we are under, actually, I would like to share these things, like, we are purely in the name of, like, helping you people, because we are seeing that how these things are happening here. People are get cheating mostly, like from India. They just come here and searching for the jobs, and they don't get, and they don't have any idea. They blindly go for the registration. They will take money from 200 dirhams, 250 dirhams to 500 dirhams in the name of registration. Someone will get a call also, you can come our company, they will show something different way, and they will take money. No, don't do that.
Thank you.
Maybe you will not
Samir,
get.
can I ask?
Yeah, please. Who is this?
Samir, Jitesh. I was asking about that social.
Yes,
and it got
Jitesh.
disconnected.
Yes,
Na?
I will tell you.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Just go to the linkedin.com/recruiter. Okay.
Samir,
Okay.
linkedin.com.
can I ask?
1 minute, please. Jitesh.
Yeah, LinkedIn.com recruiter.
Recruiter. If you go into that into that link, you will find the details there. Okay. And you will need to search through Bing, B-I-N-G, Bing. Okay.
Through this engine, search engine.
Why? What is that means? It will give you anything about you. So even not only Bing, you can go Google and say Jitesh Mehta, wherever, whatever your connections. Maybe you use it for the navigation. Understood? Maybe you use it for navigation for some restaurant also, that will show there. Okay.
In Bing and Google.
Not only Bing, not just Bing is an example for you to search engine. These are the things are interlinked. These are the interlinked. Now, why we discontinued with the WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp is a very short group where we have now 5,000 plus. We cannot maintain the WhatsApp in that one, number one, and that's the reason we maintain 1 to 20 groups, which is like hardly maintaining. So that's why we shifted into Telegram. Now,
excellent. Yeah.
Now Telegram having a cloud system, and it won't use your storage place of your mobile until you say save. Okay, everything is in the cloud.
Correct.
Everything is in the cloud. Whereas WhatsApp will save in your mobile, and that's the path of your data will share by the Facebook. WhatsApp will share everything to the Facebook. Now Facebook, wherever you go in the heaven or hell, there they will show everything. Okay,
right.
Using your name in some other place, they will advertise about you. Okay, digital advertise. This is called digital printing, what she was telling. So people are, even now, moral things becomes our personal life. Moral things becomes important for the professional life. People are looking like those things.
Correct.
It's like सही अभी पैदा होके आ गया, बस वैसे इंसान को जो नौकरी मिलना है, बस ऐसा सोचेंगे.
Okay.
So anything else?
Samir.
Yes, who is this?
Yes, how are you? This is Adali.
Yeah, Adali, please tell me.
Oh, yeah. First of all, Tricia, she didn't share us the list of the recruiter that she said. How can I get that? And
One minute.
second,
Ali, you can check the chat box. Open the chat box. You will find all the details there. Whoever, whatever written there. If not, I will
and
share again.
secondly, I'm into the retail industry. I have experience of like around 10 years experience in retail
Okay.
in retail sector.
Mhm.
So what do you think of job?
What retail it is? Retail means
industry?
what? Retail industry means what? Like, F&B or what type of retail?
Clothing, garments.
Yeah, that's what F&B. Okay. Yes, of course, it's good. It's good. New one more mall, very big mall is going to open in soon in Dubai. Very big. It's like world's first again after Dubai Mall. Okay, there is good.
Okay.
There is good. There is no. That's what I said.
What is the job current market for retail industries?
Retail now. The point is everyone turned towards the e-commerce, right? Okay, e-commerce. So people are like online buying, but it won't go long. Again, it come back to the same position after you can see this like October starts. People they have to sell. They cannot depend on online everything. Like okay, now especially Dubai market never trust on the online. They have to go and buy. No matter it's even cost also they will go and buy.
Mhm.
You got my point. So
Yeah, I get it.
Dubai market will not sustain on e-commerce. I will write and give you. Dubai market is like open market. That is called window glassing. Window shopping, right?
Window shopping.
Yeah, window shopping. So window shopping, most of the Arabic people love the window shopping. That's the reason of these big malls. That is the reason for these big malls. There is no any other reason that big malls opens. That is the reason. It's interlinked everything.
Right.
Interlink everything. So market is good, nothing to worry, inshallah. So just it's a matter of a time. If there is a huge, I think I will tell you, there is one company which is earning 75% of a profit because of only 1 year stop doing nothing, gone into the minus 75% of loss. Just tell me how he can sustain that. So he has only a plan by downgrading his license, by taking some option by the government help, by downgrading his company, and he will start business again slowly. Whereas he can offer first he might have offering you 10,000. Now he might offer you 5 or 6,000. Okay. But there is always offer is there. Only thing is offer depends upon. Now it's not mean that someone will offer you 3,000. No. 3,000 offering a job, you can understand what type of job it is. Okay. Retail means you are a backbone of the business.
Exactly, you're right.
You're a backbone of the business. So trust me, everything will go right. So it's just
Yes, please share also whatever this retail job recruiters that they are posting. If you find any vacancies, please share it Telegram, because mostly I see engineering and other industries.
No, why I said before itself, and then before we start, I explained clearly that all categories are not yet open. Categories what they are open, we are publishing those jobs only. Okay, you got my point.
Sir,
whatever.
Hello, Samir.
1 minute, one by one.
Hello.
1 minute, 1 minute. I'm muting. Okay. Yeah, please tell me.
Hi, Samir.
Yes.
Hi, Samir. Anjul this side.
Yeah,
I
Mr.
need
Anjul.
to have an understanding regarding the banking sector in Dubai. I'm presently in India and working for a bank.
Which bank you are working?
I work for HDFC Bank.
Oh, in India.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually seeking for a switch to Dubai. So can you guide me through?
There are. See here, I don't know about how Indian banks works. Here, totally 3 type of subject to job processing will be happen. Direct bank will not entertain. They always depend on the third party job. Okay, they will take technically they will take from the third party. But as of now, not yet banks started back, because that bank always depend upon credit and loans. Now there is no positivity of those two things. So we need to wait for some time, okay, until these two sectors like loaning and credit cards start kick back, people start funding, people start using the funds, then alhamdulillah everything will come back again. There will be third party showrooms open, third party keep calling, sir, we are ready to take, experienced people or not experienced people selling the credit card, selling the loan, selling the car. Okay, so it's just time, it's matter of a time, just like because this sector is not yet open.
Okay.
Samir, Virender here.
Yeah, Mr. Virender. Hello, I'm waiting.
See, just now, Trisha told that Trisha told that in LinkedIn we have to search like recruiter. After that, bingo.
No, go to there. You will find on your screen itself. There are options there. You can search it there.
Yeah, just now I searched it. It's saying that recruiter sales. Otherwise, Mr. Recruiter is there.
No, you are not going towards the employee, right?
No, I'm an employee only. I'm not a recruiter.
No. Forget about that one. Forget about that one. You just need to see that you are digitally used anything else. I don't think it's a very important thing. You need to show interest on that one. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
You don't need to bother about that one. She said that if it is something which is irrelevant in your digital prints anywhere, just make it sure that you delete properly. That's it.
Okay. Sure.
Hello, Samir, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, is there you have a list of oil and gas industry recruiters also?
In the recruiters itself, every list is there. You can take that from there. There is no categorized by oil and gas and all those things.
Okay.
But most important.
Hello, Samir.
Where we can find that?
No,
I'm not able to find that.
Listen, madam. Listen. 1 minute. You don't need to go with the recruiter. Okay. If you go with the recruiter, the recruiter has to open the offers, right? If he is not offering anything, so better you focus on this Telegram itself. You are getting a lot of list. Okay. Maybe you are not, connecting to that one. Just like to slightly.
No, I am in your Telegram group.
Yes. Just try to switch off some other category and try to find out if it is a technically, support for your CV. But or else just wait for month and off after Eid.
Actually, I am searching for a job like a civil structure designer.
Civil structure.
Yeah.
Okay. Just share me your CV in the LinkedIn. Okay. Inshallah, I will check it and I will follow.
It is showing that writing messages isn't allowed in this group.
No, not Telegram. I said, ma'am, you can select. See, my name is Samir. If you go into the list of the members, 5,000 members are there, right? So in that one, my name is in the top. Select that one, send the message.
Okay.
Hello,
Fine.
Samir.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
I'm currently working in insurance company in India. So I'm planning to visit UAE after Ramzan.
Okay.
So I just want to know that if there is any opening going on insurance sector.
Insurance is important, whereas the motor insurance is always open. There is no close. Again, I said that same answer for the banking sector. The only thing is it depends upon the third party. Yet banking sector is not yet openly offering to any third party to have this selections and all those things. After Eid, inshallah, I think so it will be open because business has to do.
Yes, sure. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
It's me, Shirin. Sir, I have a doubt. So what about this LinkedIn Premium and Naukri Gulf Premium? Should we go for it?
No. LinkedIn Premium is, see, I will tell you. LinkedIn is not your Indeed. Try to understand. LinkedIn is like a Facebook for the professionals. LinkedIn is like a Facebook for the professionals. Okay. Where you can read about each company, where you can read about each profession person who and what he is. Whereas you will not do it in Naukri Gulf. Naukri Gulf is something which they are work as a consultancy only. Okay. So in LinkedIn, in LinkedIn also you don't need to take a premium. Why you are taking a premium? Just try to build up your
but there is no, in Naukri Gulf there is a premium option, right? So should we go for it? we have to pay and we have to like,
No,
is it useful?
but as per my knowledge of like 6 to 7 years, where the Naukri Gulf started just like that, okay. But I don't find anything useful as up to, because I never hear anything. They just take a money, that's it. Afterwards, there is no response also. But I don't know. Other people might have done that. Other people might have got it. But as my experience, I'm telling. As per my experience, I'm telling.
Okay.
It is
Sir,
up to
thank
you. It is up to you.
Okay, sir, thank you.
But when you are
LinkedIn Premium only allows you to
See.
send in mail, direct mail to the recruiter. That's the only biggest advantage.
Yeah. See, what is the
Okay,
use
so
of
only that's there.
Yeah. What is the
Our
use of taking a
profile will
premium?
not be highlighted.
No. What is the use of taking? What is the use of taking premium in the Naukri Gulf when you are getting all the jobs posted in the LinkedIn? No need.
Okay, there. Okay, one of my friend did that, but he didn't get much result.
Then you
It's like
have
a waste of
example.
money.
Then you have example. Then why there is no meaning in that one? I told you, right? Because it won't work.
Yeah.
Naukri
Okay.
Gulf Talent. These are all same.
Okay. So, thanks.
So, hope this session went good. So inshallah, we will continue. Okay. Whenever there is a session, I will keep posting in the Telegram as well as in the LinkedIn. Just keep follow. And if anyone is in job seekers or looking there, please tell them to join in the Telegram. And inshallah, we will help, by holding a hand by each other, and we will support them. No problem. Okay. So I think now everything is clear. Okay, Shailen sir, now shall we go off?
Yeah, I think we had a good session, good attendance.
Yeah, I have one question.
Attendance in the first two.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Please, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm an instrument and control engineer currently in UAE, in Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm looking for a job. What about the oil and gas market?
Oil and gas
For 3 months, I couldn't find out any.
No, oil and gas, only a technical job. Core technical jobs are open, like welders, okay, piping.
Okay, skilled workers.
Yeah. That is only actually, not like higher and very but technically strong. No, not yet. They are saying that, but they are taking their own time to finalize the CVs. Even welders itself, they are taking months to finalize. But before they said urgent, but nothing is there urgent. Whenever they say urgent means there is nothing urgent. So take your time and apply.
Okay. Do you have any idea about the projects will open in UAE, oil and gas projects? I think most of the projects are on hold.
No. What are those? Like ADNAC has already again started now. You can see this by the October. You can see this one for sure.
Yeah. Okay. But before
Aramco,
Corona, only the projects were open. Awarded. But after that, none of the projects are awarded.
No, because there is nothing by the government support. Now the government is supporting from Abu Dhabi government is supporting. So I think ADNAC has already given a couple of projects details also recently in LinkedIn. You can check that one. You can Google it, ADNAC. You will find out a lot of things there.
Yeah, okay.
And one more thing is Aramco is already certifying a couple of projects to Abu Dhabi. So those will also be as a partnership. So oil and gas is always there, no problem about oil and gas, banking, but every sector is there, no worries about that.
My experience is related to EPC. So I couldn't find out any jobs to EPC companies. Most of them are idle now.
Abdul, I'm not too much deeply knowledge about the technical side. What I have a knowledge that I am sharing with you. So don't worry, you are already here. Just keep watching. Inshallah, after Eid, why people taste Eid means because the timing will come off. They reduce the timing. Number one. Number two, everyone will go sentimentally out of the country for their own places. Like for example, Egypt people will go to the Egypt, Indian people will go to the India, Pakistani people will go to the Pakistan to celebrate the Eid. So they will not take any type of a authentic action. That's the reason jobs stilled. Even payments will also still that time. Like couple of project payments will also be hold. So that's the reason people will not entertain. Okay, that's it, nothing else. There is no other sentiment. Okay, like something after Eid they will do like no, nothing is there. Like everything goes slow. When everything goes slow, then nothing will come fast to take action. Nah? That's the reason. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Samir, can I ask one thing?
Okay.
Like,
okay, Hafiz.
Ramadan is nearby. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Hafiz.
like, it will be like much difficult to get a job within this 1 month. So, is there any opportunity like to get a part-time job or promotional job for 1 or 2 months?
Hafiz, are you employed now, or you are on visit visa, or
No,
what
no,
actually?
no. I am on visit visa. Actually.
When you came into country?
It's been last month, March.
Okay. Okay, March means April, May means up till June you have time, right?
Yeah.
There are in during this Ramadan there is some chart. I think what is it, chartering, some sort of part-time jobs will open, like for food and food industry. Okay, you can take support. I will post in Telegram. Don't worry. Just before Eid it will start, so you will get good money there. Like, you know, if you have a license, you can earn money, no problem. Okay. There will be good jobs from like McDonald, KFC. These people will take things all. So even Zomato, you can take their opportunities. Just it's time matters. It's by 12th or 10th you will come to know about those. Okay, I will post it in Telegram. Just try to give as much as people who are looking for the jobs the Telegram. It's a very good app. Only I didn't give permission because you people keep sending the CVs, which is like, it will.
Yeah, that's a good initiative actually. That's a smart move actually.
Okay, that's it, nothing else. So we are here. Me, Shailen Shukla, and our team is there. Anshuman, all those people are there. We are totally dedicated to help you people. So there is nothing that So you people will ask anytime you can. Okay. So have a good night. Okay.
Thank you, Samir. Have a good night.
People keep coming inside. I don't know.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Samir.
Welcome.
Hello.
Hi. Yes.
Hello. Hi, Samir.
हाँ बिलाल बोलिए.
Yes. Currently, I am working in purchase department, procurement in India, and I want to know that what is the currently job market for procurement or supply chain management in UAE?
Procurement.
And also, I want to know about the cost of living while working in UAE if I start my career.
Okay.
With the 2 years of experience, currently I have.
Okay. Procurement, for the 2 years of experience, your salary will start from 4,000, 4,500. It depends upon the company. Okay. But yet we can call it your 2 years experience as a fresh experience only. Okay. Means it will fall under the 0 to 2 years experience, but still it is a good. Okay. And here procurement, supply chain, logistic will see in a different way, like, it's like a prestigious job. Understood what I'm saying? It's a professional job, they will think. So they will give you the good salary, and if you are very smart, if you move smartly, then you will have very good life here. Now, cost of living, it depends upon you, how you gonna live in. Like, you want to live in villa, you want to live in sharing, it depends upon you. That's it.
Okay.
But
thank you, sir.
But everything is fine. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you very much, sir. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Sir, I'm ending it now. Shukla sir.
Okay. Bye.